Buttermilk scones from Desserts by James Martin. This recipe requires 225 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of fat, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, and a pinch of salt. If you want, you can have clotted cream and jam to serve. Start by preheating an oven to 220 degrees centigrade, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 7. Sift the flour and salt into a bowl. Rub the fat into the flour to make breadcrumbs. Add the beaten egg and buttermilk. Form into a ball and roll out to about 2.5 centimeters thick. Cut out the scones with a 5 centimeter cutter. This isn't essential. Using a different size will mean you have a different amount of scones, and you can form them by hand if you wish. Place the scones upside down on a grease and lined baking tray. Brush lightly with buttermilk or egg. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes on the top shelf or until they are browned and well risen. Serve with clotted cream and jam if you wish, although jam and butter would be just as nice, or any combination that you like.